So someone came in this morning to fix the dryer, so that's all fixed. But now that I'm doing laundry, this is my third load in here, now there's water all over the floor. So now the washer's leaking. What kind of luck is this? Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do about this. I just tried calling the resident services and no one picked up. So I don't know if there's no one there today or it's all over the floor, even behind it. I don't know what to do. This sucks. And I only have 2 towels because I don't have any in there. Those are all dirty. I have some in there which are still damp because, yeah, I had to stop this load while it was spinning since it was leaking. And then I've got towels that are drying in here. So these are the only 2 dry towels that I had. I just noticed what it was. It was this thing. It wasn't in the pool, so hopefully it'll stay. That's where the water is coming out of when it comes to the washer. And I was just missing it and it's going on the floor. Yeah, now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna clean up all this water. Yeah, fun. Aw, you're so sleepy, buddy. I'm gonna move in his paws.
Falling out, so the production of Twix was divided between 2 separate factories. Left Twix factory cascades caramel and chocolate onto cookie, while right Twix factory flows caramel and chocolate onto cookie. Today they share nothing.